Hello guys. Today I would like to introduce how to install an XLR cable onto a Rode PSA-1 microphone mount. Alright, it's very simple. If you are an expert of soldering or you have any sort of experience of soldering cables, whatever it is, 6.5 millimeters jack cable or an XLR cable or any sort of circuit board that you have soldering sort of experience, this kind of process will be very easy for you. This tutorial is for those people who are not an expert or who has no soldering experience whatsoever. So this microphone right now is very neat. The cable don't go outside of this metal, this bar here. The reason I choose to put a cable inside this microphone mount is because, for example, let me show you something. I used to use this kind of Velcro to, like tie the cable outside of the metal. But the problem will be if you do it very tight. Sometimes when you bend your, if you bend this bit, you will feel the tension right here. If you tie it very tight, you will feel the pressure right here. But now, it's very neat here. You don't have to tie any of these things in. Like sometimes I would like to use XLR cable on my other device. But this one, if you put it inside, you never move your cable or you never adjust your settings anymore. So it's fixed right now. It's very simple. First of all, you have to pull out one end of the XLR head. Second of all, you have to use the soldering tool to disconnect the wire and the head. You have to separate them. And the third thing, you have to insert your cable on the right side, because there's XLR cable has female part and the male part. The male part should be on this side and the female part should be on the other side, and you shouldn't do it the other way around. So that's the third thing. The last bit will be soldering your XLR how do you call it, like a head, like a socket. Yeah, XLR socket. You have to solder it onto your cable. That will be the last bit of the soldering. And it's pretty simple. It's like a basic soldering. You have to identify which cable it goes into which pin of the XLR. It got the marker there, like 1, 2, 3. You have to follow like the where's the blue cable goes and where's the red goes and where's the black goes, and that's it. It's pretty easy to do it. Yeah. So basically, this is just like a simple demonstration of how you could do an XLR cable. Yeah, if you have any problem, you can go to another tutorial or just ask in the description. No, in the comment section. Yeah. So hope you like the tutorial. Thank you.